Come home to this tastefully renovated and upgraded 4-bedroom, 2-bath residence located in a highly sought-after Irvine neighborhood. Upon opening the elegant double doors, you will step into a 2-story grand foyer and then onto the open concept kitchen, dining, and living area. Upstairs, you will find the huge primary bedroom suite that you truly need to see to appreciate. High ceilings, spacious walk-in closet, private balcony, and a walk-in shower in the serene ensuite bathroom. This will truly be your sanctuary. The family room will impress with a fireplace with custom blue marble style surround, and just outside, the sparkling swimming pool flanked by mature cypresses beckons. Pool party, anyone?